I'm C. Kanishka.
And I am HY Swashna from grade 8.
Today we are going to explain about sand battery. Let me tell about battery. A battery is a device that converts chemical energy contained within its active material directly into electrical energy by means of electrochemical oxidation and reduction reactions. As there exists a huge demand in lithium ion batteries. Here we are experimenting by replacing it by sand.
Principles of sand battery. It works on the principles of sensible heat storage, which means that the thermal energy is stored in the form of heat in sand particles. In sand battery, sand is heated using renewable heat energy. The components are we using in this experiments are sand, Seebeck generator and LED. Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect is a phenomenon in which a temperature difference between two dissimilar electrical conductor or semiconductor produces voltage difference between two substances. When electron migrated from hotter region to colder, it equilibrates temperature eventually.
Here the sand is heated at 400 degrees Celsius. Two Seebeck generators are taken, loop and placed in the sand by covering it with heat sink. Once the sand reaches the maximum temperature, the thermal energy is converted into electrical energy. Once electrical energy reaches the adequate voltage, it indicates by turning on a LED.